Welcome back to another video, everyone. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can easily crop a video on TikTok. So this video will not show you how you can trim the video length or make it shorter, but it will show you how to crop a video before uploading it to TikTok. So I'll open the photo gallery on my device and then find a video which I want to crop before uploading it to TikTok. I'm doing this on my iPhone, but you can do this on Android as well because it has the same option for cropping in the video editor. If you're on your iPhone, just tap on this edit button at the top right of the screen, and that's going to open the video editor in your Photos app. And for Android users, just find the edit button that should be just below your video, and the edit button will have a little pencil icon or similar. When you open the video editor on both iPhone or Android phones, you'll want to find this crop button and just click on that button. This will allow us to crop the video and select the part which we want to upload to TikTok. You just want to drag the lines from the top and the bottom, or you can drag all 4 lines if you need to make a more detailed selection of your video. So once you're happy with your selection, you can tap on the Done button at the top right and your video will be cropped. If you're happy with how you've cropped the video, simply open the TikTok app and then upload that video from your photo gallery. But if you need to make more adjustments and crop the video a little bit more, simply repeat the process one more time. So tap on the Edit option, then crop, and that's it. If this video was helpful and you want more similar TikTok tutorials, then check out the TikTok playlist from the description down below, and I'll see you soon.